Step right up, come play inside, and we'll let you know when it's your turn to ride. One coconut, please. Thank you.
Lucky for you, my pal Dumbo the Flying Elephant is gonna help you.
Oh, the Dumbo Ride. This was one ride that Daddy did when he went when I was a baby.
Hi guys. Guess what my favorite trick is?
What?
Let me count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. TikTok is up. It is chocolate. It's chocolate milk. We made our own little recipe. We put bananas. We put some chocolate ice cream. Then we put some banana.
You're gonna control the lever?
Remain fully seated.
Keep that butt on the seat, Izzy. That's what that means.
Let's get this show on the road.
Hey, Winnie. I don't see Merida's brothers here.
Thank you so much. You're gonna be a brother? She's
Okay,
gonna take the place of my brothers, and then she can be everyone for me. You're gonna find them?
Maybe in the simple one.
Alright, if you see him on a record.
Let's go look on the Dumbo Ride.
Here and all of them.
Oh, they're not on the Dumbo Ride anymore? They might have been there a couple years ago. Izzy, are you having a good time in Disney World? There's Mommy and Winnie. Alright, Izzy. Let's see the park from here. There's Mommy and Winnie. We see Dumbo butt. Come on, Izzy, bring us up. Izzy, Izzy, Izzy. Alright, Izzy, here we go. We're higher than you. We're the highest on the ride right now. Oh, Mommy and Winnie are all the way down there. There they are. There's the other Dumbo ride.
Okay, everybody.
We got a yellow hat Dumbo and they got a blue hat Dumbo. Good job, Izzy. Whoa, okay. Whoa, whoa there, whoa. What's next, Genius? Ice cream time?
Can we have ice cream?
You guys are already wet anyway. What did we just get sprayed? I don't even know what just sprayed us. Oh, probably these dudes, right? What's she doing? It feels pretty good. Are you wet enough now?
Can you get that ice cream?
Izzy's all about this. Come on, Disney World, Izzy.
School?
Yeah.
A little bit. Let's see. It's my
I'm
favorite.
turning 5 today.
You're turning 5?
That's also.
I'm 10.
Which do you want? This one or the stick?
I'm celebrating my birthday and
That one's better. I agree.
Okay. All right, so
Two
here you go.
sandwiches.
Yes.
Can I try? I want to try a fry.
Oh, you want to try it first?
They need the big one.
You like it? Yeah. If I didn't like it, I'd just try it. This is my favorite.
Those are delicious.
Really good.
When you guys come to New York, you gotta try this.
Okay, it's a Nestle Mickey Mouse ice cream sandwich. Hey, Winnie.
All the boys are so short that they're like up to here.
You're taller?
They're probably like
Yeah,
up
you're
to
tall. You're
one
good.
is like
Good
up
height.
to here or like up to one is up
Yeah.
to here or here one. And I'm
Winnie.
like taller than them. And all the girls are taller than the boys.
But yeah, look at it now. It's a longer line. Remember, we didn't wait. Let me ask you something. In the bathroom, in the boys' bathroom, there were no mirrors. There was actually just frying pans hanging up.
Really?
Was it like that in the girls' bathroom? When you wash your hands, when you look up, it's not instead of a mirror, there was a bunch of frying pans. I wanted to take a picture, but there were too many people.
Daddy, can I do this?
Yeah, you want to do that? Okay. All right, Winnie, come on back.
I show that I was in jail for 20 years.
You are quite the silly goose, aren't you?
That's Splash Mountain.
There is Splash Mountain in the distance there. All right. Kind of walking behind Frontierland here. It's a little pathway. Trying to get over Splash Mountain. Our legs and our feet are killing us.
Hey guys, we're gonna do this in fast motion, right, Daddy?
Fast motion? Okay, guys, do the fast motion. Wait, you guys don't really... You guys walk regular speed and then I speed it up later. Yeah. So you don't have to walk super fast. That doesn't really work. Alright, so they're doing fast motion in real time. That'll be our last ride for the day, alright girls? Okay, so Splash Mountain is closed right now. So what are we doing?
Skip it or?
We're gonna have to.
I'm so good on Big Thunder Mountain.
Hey, we're going that right. Come on this right.
Hey Winnie, this was the ride we went on midnight last time.
I didn't see
It was
everything.
the last ride. It was like so
I
dark.
was sleeping, right?
No, you weren't sleeping, but you were awake for the ride. It was the last one that we did. Rayne was sleeping, and she couldn't have gone on it anyway, and it was 12 o'clock. It was like 11:58 when we made the last ride. They said the line was about to cut off.
Back here for a few minutes. Back to the wall, please. A minute.
Partners, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
You ready, Izzy? Oh, that looks nice. Uh-oh. Izzy, what'd you think?
Awesome idea.
I'm pretty sure that I held her into the seat. She had her arms up, and at one point it was like this lap bar is only as low as it could get on me, and that's not really low enough for her. What do you think, Izzy?
But I didn't even fly.
No, you did not, and you had your arms up the whole time. I was a lot more scared than you were, because I was scared you were going to go flying out of the train. I was like, okay, I gotta keep it. I had one hand on her leg.
It was really fun.
Oh. All right, that was our last ride of the day, because our feet and our legs are hurting. Mommy and Daddy need to go back to the hotel. Tomorrow we're going to the not so scary Halloween party. So girls, did you have fun at the Magic Kingdom today?
Yeah.
We got caught in the rain. Bless you.
And we got a new coat.
I really enjoyed seeing you guys shake your tail feathers with Donald Duck. And I gotta say, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad's actually a pretty cool roller coaster. I enjoyed that a lot.
Want to see my ducktail dance?
Of course.
Ducktail. Every day the taco dance. Ducktail.
Winnie, you always want to see the rides when they get stuck. You see at the top of Splash Mountain? The whole thing is stuck.
Then how did they get down?
Well, they're getting people down right now. There's still somebody in there, I think. We're gonna get Mommy her dessert. Oh, sing it, gal. Dole Whip, I see it. This is more or less Adventureland.
Baby?
The with the on the wrap thing.
Look at the Halloween stuff already put out there.
Oh my, yes indeed.
Although there's stuff only sold during tomorrow.
Yeah. So tomorrow, yep. Chippendale? That's Chippendale. Chip. One of them's Chip, one of them's Dale. I don't know who's who. I like the candy corn mouse ears. We're getting ready for tomorrow. Exiting Disney World. So it seems like Art of Animation is always the last bus.
But we're not going to complain because we
No, we're not complaining. I'm just saying it.
I mean, it is.
Out of
And
34,
my legs are like,
out of 34 bus depots, it's the last one. It was the last one yesterday too on Hollywood Studios. Interesting, that's all.
Guys, you know what? I got Winnie the Pooh because my nickname is Winnie.
We'll show the babies you guys got.
I cannot wait to open my presents up. It's a baby and I cannot wait. Someone gifted me this present.
Pa brought us some groceries.
that's awesome.
We're eating right near the girls. We're open up to be the girls' bed.
Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, wow, God.
Winnie, cereal. Okay. Oh, Winnie, you got Winnie?
Winnie Pooh.
Baby Pooh Bear.
Baby Pooh.
And he's got flower, baby flower, mini flower.
Baby flower.
And coconut.
Look, it's a sea on her back.
This is coconut. Coconut.
Look, guys, it's Winnie the Pooh as a baby. Smells like coconut. No, smell like bagat so like skunk so her name is coconut. Guys, look. I'm Winnie the Pooh and my nickname is Winnie and his first name is Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
That's why we're meant to be together.
Hi, Izzy. And Winnie.
Because I love it. How's that stuck? the leopard meets the flower. It's soft inside like me. When I meet new people, and everybody feels like that sometimes when them feel new people. And I am quiet because I don't want anybody to hear me. What's up, everybody? Here's the animal coconut. This is flowers blinking, also flowers stuffed animal. This is my baby flower. This is my baby. To everybody. Hello, my name is Flower. Nice to meet you. Good job with the flower. I have green eyes and her have blue eyes. Pretended to everybody. And also don't forget to let her be there. Bye bye.